Good day everyone, Study Monkey again. Now this chart is the outline of Trinidad and Tobago. It has already been on the market, but again we listened to what you said. You said to us that you wanted to be able to mark on this chart and erase it. So, do you notice the sheen? Alright, pretty isn't it? We have coated this chart, also round corner the edges to prevent any damage or injury. And now you can use your whiteboard marker. You can mark off on the chart where the mountain ranges are, the capitals are, counties, rivers, whatever it is you want to focus on Trinidad and Tobago. Soon, a bigger map of the outline of Tobago will be coming out, so you can use that map as well in a similar vein. So here now the chart is more interactive. Better, yeah? So we've listened to what our customers had to say, and we've made improvements just for you. This is the outline of Trinidad and Tobago. It is now an interactive chart. Thank you and continue to support Study Monkey and Associates. Goodbye.